Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you check out savvynaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Also, make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video, we are doing which one would you rather buy? And yes, it's Cetaphil. So we'll be putting Cetaphil's daily facial cleanser to the test with Cetaphil's gentle cleanser in this episode of which one would you rather buy. Now, Cetaphil's gentle cleanser will run you about, I would say, $6.50. The cheapest I've seen it for is $6.30 plus tax. So all in all, it's going to run you $7 and some change. And then Cetaphil's daily facial cleanser is always a little cheaper. The cheapest I've seen it for is $6, and the most I've seen it for is $6.50. First one we're going to swatch is the daily facial cleanser. Okay, so as you can see, it's really runny. It just drips and drips down. So that's the daily facial cleanser. And let's do the gentle one. Okay, so here's the gentle one. And it just dribbles down my skin as well. If you guys could see, let me see. You guys see? Okay, so this is the daily facial cleanser. And this is the gentle skin cleanser. So that is the swatches. And now you guys, let's go ahead and put them on our face. Okay, so I am going to put the gentle cleanser on this side of my face and the daily facial cleanser on this side of my face. We're going to start off with the gentle one. And we're just gonna go all the way in. I feel like I have water in my eye. So there's really not a lot of suds going on, which is a good thing. Don't let that deter you. It's a good thing it's not a lot of suds. You don't want to have too much of a lather. I mean, although my pictures be looking extreme, you don't want too much of a lather. Okay, so now that we have the gentle cleanser on, we're gonna go ahead and put the daily facial cleanser on. I'm like, oh my god, I have like product on my hand. Like, I don't want to cross contaminate. And here we go. This one gives you a little more lather. Can you guys see? It is scented, whereas the gentle cleanser isn't scented. So I'm gonna go ahead, give it one more good lather. Then we're gonna do a close-up. Okay, so let's do a close-up. Okay, so this is the daily facial cleanser, and here is the gentle skin cleanser. I will say, filling both cleansers, the daily facial cleanser is a little thicker. When we swatched them, it felt the same, but there's just a little more thickness and texture on the daily facial cleanser, and this one is just so thin. Like, the gentle skin cleanser is really thin, so if textures are a big deal to you, the daily facial cleanser is much more thicker. It's literally like slathering your skin in aloe vera gel. I mean, because both cleansers are on my face, so it's like, oh my god, it's like literally slathering your skin in aloe vera gel. Even though it's a cleanser, it's really a thick cleanser. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my face, because you know I don't want to dry it out and irritate it. So let me go rinse. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and dry my face. Okay, you guys, so my face is fully dry, and this is what it looks like. So let me feel first. I will say, feeling wise, the softer of both will have to be the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser. It's just a bit more softer than the Gentle Skin Cleanser. Okay, you guys, what do you think? This is the Gentle Skin Cleanser, and this is the Daily Facial Cleanser. Looking at my skin in the mirror, I'm going to have to say the brighter of both would have to be the Gentle Skin Cleanser. Like, my skin looks really bright, it doesn't look as bright on this side, and I am having a bit, it was interesting because I did say it felt softer, and I told you guys it felt like I was putting aloe gel on my skin. That's how soft the cleanser felt, the daily facial cleanser. But my skin is drying out. Like, can you see, like, when I smile, you can see like it's drying out versus this side is not drying out as much. Let me look in the mirror to make sure. Oh, I'm gonna need some chapstick. Bear with me, y'all. Bear with me. Yeah, my skin is much more drier, and there's just a little texture, not a lot. Like, it's just a little bit. It's not a lot. It's just a little bit. It'll probably go away later, but yeah, look at my skin, looks way better on the gentle side. Okay, you guys, so I did add a moisturizer to my skin, and you know, filling my skin, I will say the softer of both would have to be the daily facial cleanser. It's just so soft. Even now that I added the moisturizer, it's just soft and supple. But I will say this side is much brighter. Like, if you are looking for bright skin, you know, you would go with the gentle skin cleanser. But which one would I rather buy? Honestly, it depends on your needs and what you're looking for. If you're having a skincare day where you have really, I will say this, if you don't know which one to rather buy, I personally recommend, if you are just starting off with Cetaphil and you're confused, just go ahead and get the gentle skin cleanser, because sensitive skin, anything that is gentle on the skin, 9 out of 10 is not going to break you out whatsoever. It's gentle, it's easier to deal with, it's gentle on your skin. It's just not going to break you out. I mean, a baby could use it. That's how gentle it is. Most products that are geared to sensitive skin that say gentle, all skincare types can use them, even oily skin, because they're just gentle on the skin. Now, that's just if you're new. However, if you are, you know, you've used Cetaphil and you're confused on which one to rather buy, you know, these are minor details you can go about when making your purchasing decision on both products. One is the gentle skin cleanser will give you brighter skin, youthful looking skin. It just looks real brighter on this side of my face. The lotion just seeps into the skin. Now, with the the daily facial cleanser, you are getting more of a glow from your moisturizers. There's a little, it looked dry, but when I added the cream, my skin looks way more hydrated on the daily facial cleanser side. My skin was soft and supple on this side. However, on the daily facial cleanser side, I will say my skin is much more hydrated, and I have a way better glow. Like, can you see? Look at the glow on the daily facial cleanser side versus the gentle skin cleanser side. I mean, there's much more of a glow. Also, if you're looking just for your skincare to be scented, some people like fragrances, some people don't. I'm not judging you, because, you know, I don't mind fragrances in skincare. I just don't. I'm really laid back. It's not one of the biggest things that are a drawback. However, if it is an irritant to you, you may not want to deal with the fragrance of the Cetaphil daily facial cleanser, then you may want to go ahead and get the gentle skin cleanser. However, if you don't mind fragrance, then go ahead and get the daily facial cleanser. You get a way better hydrated cleanser. So the texture I did have has officially left the daily facial cleanser side of my face. Yeah, all in all, if I had a choice on which one would I rather buy, I personally would probably, I mean, there are a lot of factors. I am a Libra, so take this into consideration. If I was at the store, I personally would probably get the daily facial cleanser. And that being because I could use it daily. And the gentle skin cleanser, even though it says on the back you can use it daily, I don't know if I can use it daily. So I would get the daily facial cleanser. However, with the gentle skin cleanser, I do want to make this clear. You can use it for your whole entire body. I've used the daily facial cleanser for my whole entire body, and I see nothing wrong with this. So if you don't have anything to do with the daily facial cleanser, this is just a little tip. Use it as a body wash. I do, and then after I put on my Aveeno, ooh, I'm just saying what I do when, you know, I'm not doing, when I'm using other cleansers or there's a cleanser I want to try for my face, I'm going to use the Daily Facial Cleanser for my body wash. That's all I'm saying. It's up to you. I'm just giving you a little tip, trying to hip you. You'll really like it. And then depending on the lotion, I will say get a heavier lotion because it may not be like your other body washes that may be a bit hydrating. But I would probably go ahead and get the Daily Facial Cleanser. Now that's now. I may get to the store and buy the Gentle Skin Cleanser because, you know, I'm a Libra. We get to the store and we change our mind real quick. I will spend an hour trying to say which product is best for me because I'm just a Libra. So, you know, I'm saying I'll get it now and I'll get to the store and you'll be like, but you said you wanted the Daily Facial Cleanser. I saw the Gentle Skin Cleanser and I just wanted it. So, you know, I'm just giving you little minor details on both and, you know, make your purchasing decision on that. But I'm just telling you what I probably do and end up getting when we get to the store. So with that being said, you guys, I hope I gave you enough information to go out and figure out which one would be perfect for you. Anyways, you guys, I love you guys so much. Thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Miracle Glow Oil as well as our soaps. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And I want to thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in our next video. I love you so much. Bye, you guys. Mwah.